Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and a warm welcome to the new subscribers. I'm gonna make the green sauce or salsa verde from scratch. The main ingredient is the tomatillo or husk tomato. For those that don't know, it is native to Mexico, but it is also grown in Central America. There are a couple of twists to this recipe, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Remove the husks from the tomato and rinse. They smell really good. I have here a pan of tomatillos, 2 jalapenos, and 2 garlic cloves with the skin on. If you want more heat to your sauce, add a couple of chiles serrano to this recipe. When I was removing the husk from the tomatillos, I had already put my cast iron pan on medium-high heat. It has to be very hot in order to roast the ingredients. And when you add the tomatillos and the chiles, they start to dance on the pan. It's very hot. I use a kitchen tongue to make sure everything was roasted properly, especially the tomatoes. Depending on your stove, that's going to take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Once they're roasted, remove them from the pan so they don't burn. Now remove the skin from the 2 garlic cloves. The skin comes out super easy, you see. At the end of this video, I'm going to leave you my sauces playlist. I have about 14 of them, so check them out. Now add the roasted veggies, fresh cilantro and salt to the blender and liquefy everything. There's one ingredient missing here, and that is the onion or onions. The classic or traditional recipe calls for about half of a fresh onion, but one of my twists was to caramelize the onions beforehand because I want to lower the acidity from the jalapenos without compromising the flavor, of course. So I am adding half of that, which is about 1 onion. I blend one last time and correct the salt. And it turned out pretty good for my taste. Look at that. I always double check and taste again. So the first part of the recipe is already done. Now we're going to deal with the beef. I have here about 1 pound of skirt steak. It's premium quality and it looks pretty clean, but I'm gonna clean a little bit more because I don't want to be chewing on some gristle. It's just not pleasant. And I'm cutting it into three pieces. As always, salt and pepper both sides before cooking. I am roasting the meat in a stainless steel pan. For better results, make sure your pan is very hot before you add the oil. This is another thing that I make differently from the traditional recipe. They cut the meat into fajitas or fajitas style things and make a type of stew. I want my steaks to be golden brown on the outside and medium rare on the inside. I have them on medium high heat for just 2 minutes on each side. Then I remove them from the pan. And I'm gonna add the sauce, but I want those bits and pieces of beef to flavor the sauce. That's a lot of flavor right there. And I am using the sauce to deglaze the pan. I brought the temperature down to medium, and as you can see, it deglazes pretty well. And all that steam set off the smoke alarm, guys. Now I return the beef to the pan and leave it there on the sauce for about 2 minutes. Now I'm ready to plate. The sauce goes on top. You can put it on the bottom if you want, but it looks prettier on top. And add some Mexican cream. It looks nice and it tastes better. Let me know if you like my twists on this recipe in the comment section below. And I will see you in the video on the right. See, that's how I like my meat. Just really, really good. Chaito.